How do you connect old devices to new Wi-Fi? Imagine upgrading your internet and wondering how to get your trusty old devices back online. It can seem tricky, but with a few simple steps, you can reconnect everything smoothly. First, understand that Wi-Fi networks are identified by a name called the Service Set Identifier, or SSID, and they are protected by a password. Devices remember these details from previous connections. When you change your Wi-Fi network, the device won't connect automatically unless you update its settings. The easiest way is to set your new router to use the same SSID and password as your old network. You can do this by logging into your new router settings through a web browser, usually by entering an IP address like 190.168.1. Once logged in, change the network name and password to match your previous ones. This way, your old devices will see the network as familiar and connect without any fuss. If you cannot match the old network name and password, you'll need to update each device manually. On most devices, go into Wi-Fi settings, select the old network, and choose to forget it. Then scan for the new network, select it, and enter the new password. Some smart devices or home assistants might requiring you to use their dedicated apps to update Wi-Fi details or perform a factory reset. For example, smart speakers or cameras often don't have a direct way to change Wi-Fi on the device itself. Instead, you open the app, select the device, and follow prompts to update the Wi-Fi information. Sometimes, you might need to reset the device to factory settings, then set it up again from scratch. If you are replacing your router but want to keep your network settings consistent, you can back up your old router's configuration, including the SSID and password, and restore it on the new router. This helps keep all your devices connected without extra steps. Remember, some devices like smart bulbs or security cameras may need a reset or reset hub to connect to the new Wi-Fi. In summary, making your new Wi-Fi network match the old one is the simplest way to keep your devices connected. If that's not possible, updating each device manually or through their apps will do the trick. Understanding these steps helps you stay connected without frustration when upgrading your internet or changing your network.